Good morning, children. Children, we have completed the chapter 2 shops in English reader book, and today we would be moving to the same chapter but in English practice book. So, take out page number 45, lesson 18, chapter 2 shops, and come to worksheet number 1. In lesson 22, that is in English reader book, lesson 22, 2 shops. Some boys and girls went to the shop. They bought many things. You all have read and understood the chapter 2 shops. In that chapter, you have studied that some boys and girls went to the shop and they bought many things, isn't it? What you have to do now is, you have to write them in the blanks using picture clues. Some pictures are given here. Can you see? Lollipops, cakes, pencils, biscuits. These all are there in these pictures. You have to write their names by seeing these pictures. The children bought 2. Now see here, where is which thing is 2 in number? Which particular object is 2 in number? Biscuit is also 2 and lollipop is also 2. So you can write any one of them. The children bought 2. I am writing lollipops first. So here it is, 2 lollipops. 3. Now see, where is 3? Which object is 3 in number? Cakes. Cakes are 3 in number. 1, 2, 3. So 3 cakes. 2, again 2. So biscuits are here. So you can write biscuits. 2 biscuits. Now all the items are the favorite of the children's. The children like lollipops, they like cakes, they like biscuits, they like chocolates. So all the favorite items of the children are given here. 6. Now which object is 6 in number? You can see pencils are here. Different color pencils. See, you can see different colors are here on the top, the nib part. So these are color pencils. So you can write 6 color pencils. Okay. 4. Now which object is 4 in number? See here. See, only two pages are shown here. This is the front part and this is the back part. So this is a card. This can't be a book or a copy. क्योंकि अगर बुक या कॉपी होता तो इसके अंदर और पेजेस दिखाई देते, है ना? सिर्फ इसके फ्रंट पार्ट और बैक पार्ट दिख रहा है. सिर्फ only 2 parts are here. So this is a card. So 4 cards. The bookshop was having cards also. And a few, these are toffees, chocolates. You can write sweets and a few sweets. Okay, and then a full stop is there. So this is worksheet number 1. By seeing the pictures, you have filled in the blanks. Now see how this have converted into many form. Now you have to understand this very nicely. See here, children, the first one. If this has been a single lollipop, then you will say lollipop. When it has been more than 2, then what you do? You add s and you make it plural. You convert it to many form. जब ये लॉलीपॉप एक रहता है तो आप क्या कहते हैं? लॉलीपॉप. और जब ये एक से ज़्यादा हो जाता है तब आप क्या करते हैं? वहाँ s ऐड कर देते हैं. s ऐड करने पे क्या हो गया? लॉलीपॉप्स, विच इज़ द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ लॉलीपॉप. जो लॉलीपॉप का प्लूरल फॉर्म है, मेनी फॉर्म है. लॉलीपॉप इज वन and lollipops is many. Singular, plural. Now come to the second one. Cake. अगर एक केक होता तो आप क्या बोलते? If there has been a single cake, you will say cake. C-A-K-E, cake. पर जब एक से ज़्यादा हैं तब आप क्या करेंगे? सिर्फ s वहाँ पर ऐड कर देंगे and that would become cakes. That means singular is cake and plural is cakes. One form is cake and many form is cakes. Okay? Now see the third one, biscuits. अगर एक बिस्किट होता तब क्या बोलते? बिस्किट. एक से ज़्यादा है तब क्या करेंगे? s लगा देंगे और अब क्या बोलेंगे? बिस्किट्स. बिस्किट इज द वन फॉर्म, बिस्किट्स इज द मेनी फॉर्म. बिस्किट इज सिंगुलर, बिस्किट्स इज प्लूरल. Now come to the next one. Color pencils. एक पेंसिल रहता, एक कलर पेंसिल रहता तो आप क्या बोलते? कलर पेंसिल. एक से ज़्यादा है तब आपने क्या किया? यहाँ पर सिर्फ s लगा दिया. Then it would become color pencils. That is plural. That is the many form. Color pencil is singular. Color pencils, plural. Next one, card. एक कार्ड होता तो क्या बोलते? कार्ड. C-A-R-D, कार्ड. एक से ज़्यादा है तो क्या करेंगे? s लगा देंगे और क्या बोलेंगे? कार्ड्स. C-A-R-D-S, कार्ड्स. Card is singular. Cards is plural. Card is the one form. Cards is the many form. Sweet. अगर सिर्फ एक स्वीट रहता तो क्या बोलते? स्वीट. एक से ज़्यादा है तब क्या करेंगे? s लगा देंगे और क्या बोलेंगे? स्वीट्स. What we will say? Sweets. So sweet is singular and sweets plural. Okay? So here we come to know that there are some words where if we simply add s at the end of that word changes to plural. Okay? Now let us move further and I will teach you something related to this only. Words ending in s, sh, ch, o, x, ss change into many by adding es. Now I am writing this so that you can understand in even simpler way. See here, words ending with s, sh, CH O X and SS. Okay. Now if we have those words which are ending with all these letters, then when we change it into plural, we simply add ES at the last. अगर वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिसके लास्ट में S आता है, SH आता है, CH आता है, O आता है, X आता है या फिर SS आता है, ऐसे वर्ड्स जिसके लास्ट में ये लेटर्स आते हैं, जब उन्हें प्लूरल में चेंज करते हैं तो सिर्फ लास्ट में ES लगा देते हैं, वो वर्ड प्लूरल में चेंज हो जाता है. It gets converted to the many form. Okay? I will show you by examples. Fox. Fox is a word. Now see the last letter of this word. What is the last letter of this word? It is X. Can you see here? X is there. आपको यहाँ पे X दिख रहा है. अब ये X इस वर्ड के लास्ट में है, तो जब इसे प्लूरल में चेंज करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? सिर्फ लास्ट में ES लगा देंगे. सो द वर्ड वुड बिकम foxes. What will the word become? Foxes. Now turn the page. I am writing down those words once again so that you can see from here and you can understand it. S, SH, CH, O, X, SS. These are the letters which has to be there at the last of the word. And when these letters are there at the last of the word would be changed to plural by simply writing ES. Okay. Now see here. Brush. BRUSH. Now see the last two letters. What are the last two letters? SH. यहाँ पर SH है कहीं पर? Yes, it is here. That means if a word ends with SH at the last, we will convert it to plural by simply adding ES. अगर किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में SH है तो उसे प्लूरल करने का तरीका क्या है कि उस वर्ड के लास्ट में हम ES लगा दें. So we will write the word now. Simply copy down the letters. BRUSH. Brush and then add ES. This becomes brushes. Now see the next word. GLASS. Glass. What are the last letters? SS. SS is here. See the last letter. If the word ends with SS at the last, then how do we convert it to plural? We write the word and then we add ES. इसे प्लूरल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? अगर किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में SS होगा, पहले उस वर्ड को लिखेंगे और फिर लास्ट में ES ऐड कर देंगे. This will become glasses. Now come to the next word. This is wish. 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 इच्छा. Wish मतलब होता है इच्छा. I wish I could see a fairy today. मेरी इच्छा है कि काश मैं आज एक परी देख पाती. So wish. Is SH here? Yes. SH is here. So when the word is ending with SH, how do we change to plural? We add ES. तो पहले उस वर्ड को लिख देंगे as it is, जैसे है वैसे ही लिखेंगे. Wish लिख दिया मैंने wish. अब इसके लास्ट में क्या करना है, ES लगाना है। क्यों ES लगाना है? क्योंकि इस वर्ड के लास्ट में SH लेटर्स है, और जिस वर्ड के लास्ट में SH लेटर्स होते हैं उसे प्लूरल करने के समय ES लगा दिया जाता है। दिस इज अ रूल। ओके, नाउ पोटैटो, what is the letter at the last? O. Now see, O is here. Yes. So the word which ends with O, how do we convert that kind of word in plural? We simply add ES at the last. So we will write down this word. Potato का जो spelling है वो लिख लीजिए. Potato written. Now we are changing it into plural. So we will simply add ES. सिर्फ यहाँ पर लास्ट में ES ऐड कर देना है. This will become potatoes. Again the same type. Mango. It is ending with O. So what we will do to make it plural? We will simply write down the word mango and then we will add ES. Mangoes. Now see, bench. The last two letters are CH. देखिए यहाँ पे CH है. Yes, CH is here. That means if a word is ending with CH at the last, when we change it into plural, we add ES at the last. So we will simply write down the word now bench and then we will add ES at the last. Benches. Okay. Bus, ending with S at the last. S is here, see. So we will write down the word bus. और अगर किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में S हो तो क्या करते हैं, प्लूरल चेंज करते समय ES लगाते हैं. So we will add here ES. Watch, WATCH, watch. It is ending with CH just like this. बेंच की ही तरह है, यहाँ भी लास्ट में CH है, तो क्या करेंगे, वॉच लिखेंगे एंड देन वी विल ऐड ES, वॉचेस. So our second worksheet has got completed. Now come to the third worksheet. Guess the word with the help of picture clue and fill in the blanks. यहाँ पर पिक्चर क्लूज दिए हुए हैं, पिक्चर का स्पेलिंग नहीं दिया है, पिक्चर क्लूज दिए हैं. आपको इसको फिल करना है पिक्चर क्लू देखकर. ओके, एंड रिमेंबर हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दीज रूल्स. आपको इसी रूल को फॉलो करके फिल करना है. देयर आर डैश इन द बास्केट. सो व्हाट इज हियर, टोमेटो. एक टोमेटो है, ज्यादा है, सो दैट विल बी tomatoes. TOMATO. वर्ड के लास्ट में O है तो प्लूरल होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, we will add ES. So tomatoes. A forest has many. So this will be trees. This is simple. Simply you have to add S. Trees. If there has been one tree, you will write tree. There are many trees, so it will be trees. Wash the dash quickly. This is, here are plates, more than one. एक नहीं है, एक से ज़्यादा है, दो है. So here it would be plates. 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 Put the dash in the glass. These are the straws. एक से ज़्यादा है, so we will write here S. Straws. And the last one, we put 2 dash after 1 to write 100. 100 लिखने के लिए 1 के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, 2 0 लगाते हैं. So 2 0. Now what is the word at the last, letter at the last? The letter at the last is O. So see here, we'll follow the rule again. If a word has O at the last, how do we change it into plural? By adding ES. So this will be zeros. We put 2 zeros after 1. यहाँ हम 1 के बाद 2 zeros लगाते हैं to write 100. 100 लिखने के लिए. Okay? Now your classwork and homework. You will do worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 as your classwork and worksheet 3 as your homework in your English practice book. Thank you.